The Institute for Innovation in Sustainable Engineering was established in 2014. Since then, we've come a long way. We've outreached to some 500 SMEs in the region, enabling those businesses to reduce their carbon footprint in manufacturing, helping them innovate new products and processes, and all aligned to the low carbon agenda. So an example is a flagship programme called IISE. This is a multi-million-pound programme funded under the European Regional Development Fund and is a partnership with Derby City Council, Derby County Council and the University of Derby. An example of how we decarbonise products and processes is by additive manufacturing. This is a new method of making things, and we have here within the Institute an entire additive manufacturing workflow capable of delivering an end-to-end solution to businesses in the region.
This workflow was developed in-house using IISE assets and resources. It demonstrates the end-to-end process of fabrication of an oil lube connector provided to us by an energy company. Using reverse engineering, this part was redesigned, optimized, and then 3D printed, following which it was tested within the parameters of its purpose.
For more information, follow the Decarbonise link and you'll be directed to the Decarbonise webpage. And to express your interest, fill in the form at the bottom. Someone from our team will be in touch with you.